Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you? Yes, you all are fine and ready to learn something interesting in your chapter number 5, our occupation. See dear students, we already started this chapter number 5, our occupation. And in this chapter, in my those lectures, I took 2 lectures of this topic, and I already made you learn how we can get the occupation. What is an occupation? What is an occupation? So basically, recapitulation is the part of a teaching. That's why whatever I spoke, whatever I made you learn in my previous lectures, I will take what? Recap. Yes, you all are right. Smart students. A jhatpat recap of chapter number 5, occupation. Right, so let's discuss about something in occupation which is not mentioned in your book, but I made you learn how we can get the occupation. See, in my previous lecture we discussed about all these points. Number 1, what is an occupation? Right, I already made you learn what is an occupation. सिखाया ना आपको, बताया what is an occupation? हाँ, what is an occupation? Occupation means the work which we are doing to earn money. Occupation means the work which we are doing to earn money. That is our occupation. That is our occupation. And this occupation and a job, occupation and the job a person does, occupation and a job that person does. Right? So work to earn money, that is what? That is became a job. है ना? I gave you my example only. See, my job is what? My job is to teach you. My job is to teach you, and when I teach you, I get money. I earn money. So it became my what? It became my job, because whenever I will teach you, I will get the money, and that work became my job. Right? And occupation or a job always done by a person. It does by a person. है ना? Occupation or a job does by a person. Does by a person. Right? And this job, or we can say that occupation is our daily activity. It is our daily activity. This job or we can say occupation is daily activity which we are perform daily, which we are perform daily, right? ये रोज करते हैं हम. Daily I am coming to school, I am teaching you. Daily if your papa is a doctor, daily he will go to the nursing home, nursing home or hospital. If your papa is a shopkeeper, daily he will go to shop, he will open shop. If your papa is working in a bank, he will or she will go to the bank. Daily, it is a daily activity except Sunday, because Sunday is the holiday. So this is our daily activity which we perform. Our job or we can say our occupation is a daily activity which we perform daily. रोज करते हैं, which we perform daily, right? And different people are doing different job. Different people are doing different jobs. Everybody is not doing the same job. Suppose your papa is a shopkeeper, then it is not necessary to you mama ki she will also be a shopkeeper. No, she can be a teacher. She can be has her own business. She can be a nice teacher. She can be a nice bank officer. So it is not necessary to anybody to adopt the same occupation. Everybody is doing the different jobs, and when they are doing the different jobs, then we are getting the different services. Understand? समझ आई ये बात? Everybody is not doing the same job. Okay, I will give you an example. Suppose think everybody is doing teaching in this world. मैं आपको छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. एवरीबडी इज अ टीचर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. सभी लोग टीचर्स हैं. नो वन इज डूइंग द डिफरेंट जॉब. देन हाउ यू कैन गेट द गुड सर्विसेज? अगर आपके घर का फैन खराब हो गया, हु विल कम एंड रिपेयर? हु विल कट योर हेयर्स? हाउ यू विल गेट फूड? हाउ यू विल गेट treatment when you will fall sick? Who will treat you? If you want a toy, how you can get? If you want to go out for eating good food in a hotel, in a restaurant, how you will get? How you will eat? If you want to watch the movie, then how you will go? How you can see the movie? So my purpose is tell to you is that everybody has doing different jobs. Then we are getting the different services in our day-to-day life. If all of us doing the same job, then it is not possible to us to get the different kinds of services, different kinds of facilities. So different pupils are doing the different jobs. In this world, none of the country has the same job. No one is doing the same job. It is not necessary to me, if you are farmer, it is not necessary to me to do the farming. If my family member is in police, so it is not necessary to me to adopt that particular occupation. It is depends on our need. It is depends on our requirement to what kind of occupation we wants to adopt. So it is not necessary to us. See, I already explained you what is an occupation, why we are doing the work, why it is necessary to do the work. I already explained you very nicely in my previous lecture. Work to earn money, that became a job, and occupation is a job that person does to get money, to earn money, and everybody is having the different jobs. So today we will discuss about the pupil, those who are doing the different jobs. Right? So today we will discuss about the different jobs. Right? So different people are doing different people are doing different jobs. Okay. So what are those pupils? This question should click in your mind, that whom those are doing the different jobs. Whom those are doing the different jobs. Who are the people? Those are doing different job. Who are the people? My pen is not working nicely. Who are they? Who are they? Who are the people? Those who are doing the different jobs. So we will discuss about all these things. Right? So first we will start with doctor. Nowadays we all are taking so many help from doctor sides. Right? So doctor is a kind of a job. Doctor is a kind of a profession. Doctor is a kind of an occupation which a person does to get money, to earn money. And what is a job of a doctor? What is a job of a doctor? Doctor treat us. A doctor treat us when we will sick. When we will sick. So what is the job of a doctor? Doctor treat us when we will sick. When we will sick. If you are fallen sick, then you can't take medicine by your own. No ways. You can't do this. You go to hospital. Then there doctor will give his services or her services to you. First he will do the checkup. Then he will write the prescriptions to you. Then what you will do? You will go to a chemist shop. what you will do? You will go to a chemist shop. For what? To get what you will go to chemist shop? To get medicine. To get medicines. Right? So, what is the job of a medicine? What is the job of a medicine? That chemist will give you the, what is the job of a chemist? Chemist will give you whatever prescription gave you the doctor, whatever prescription suggest to a doctor, that chemist will provide you all that medicines, all that prescriptions written by the doctor, advised by the doctor, suggested by the doctor. So here the job of a chemist is totally different rather than the doctor. Doctor तो can write only prescription, can do our checkup, but whatever prescription given by the doctor, it followed by the chemist. ठीक है. Then suppose doctor suggests you to get the injection. अगर आपको डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि आपको फीवर उतारने के लिए ये इंजेक्शन लगवाना पड़ेगा, then that injection will provide by a chemist. अब आपको केमिस्ट ने इंजेक्शन दे दिया, then whom do you will go? Who will give you that injection? That nurse. Nurse will give you that injection. Nurse will advise you, nurse will say to you what time you have to take this medicine, what time you have to get this injection. These all medicines you have to take at the different time. Some medicines we have to take empty stomach, and some medicine we should have after food. कुछ दवाइयाँ बेटा ऐसी होती है ना जो हम खाली पेट खाते हैं, और कुछ दवाइयाँ ऐसी होती है जो हम खाना खाने के बाद खाते हैं. Some medicines we should take in the morning, some medicine we should take in the evening, at night. So all these explanation done by the nurse. All these explanation done by the nurse. So nurse is a person who take care of a sick pupil. Nurse is a person who take care of a sick people. Understand? Understand what I want to explain you, what I want to make you learn. Understand? Are you getting my points? Are you understanding? See, we are going with this line, because this line I mention in my explanation that different people are doing different jobs. Different people are doing the different job. Nobody is doing the same job. If everybody is doing the same job in your city, in your town, in your country, then how you can get the different services? So it is necessary to us to do the different jobs, and doing the job it's completely depends on our interest, our needs, our requirements. Doing the jobs is completely depends on three things. First one is our requirement, our needs, and our interest area. These three things is the basic of a job. कि हमारा इंटरेस्ट किस चीज में है, हमारी जरूरत क्या है, एंड हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? These three the pillars of a job. These three things are the pillar of an occupation. Right? Okay. Now move on. So, nurse. Nurse is a person who takes care of a sick people. Right? Now, we will discuss about me. Chalo. We will discuss about me. Whom I am? I am a teacher. So, what is my job? What is my profession? What is my job? What is my profession? To teach you. Whether I am a teacher, I am a lecturer, I am a professor, my job is to teach these students, to make them, to give them the right guidance, to show them the right path, to show them the right learning of the life. Right? So, teacher is a different job, does by the different people, and teacher always teach the students. Whether you are a student of a school or you are a student of a college or any university. Right? Okay. Now, postman. Postman brings letter for us. What is the job of a postman? A postman brings letter, messages, parcels, all these things bring by the postman. This is the postman's job. We need his help. Right? Okay. If we will talk about the policeman. So what is the job of a policeman? Policemen maintain the law and order of your city. Policemen maintain the law and order of your city or town. Policemen not only save us, not only protect us from thieves, but it is a duty of a policeman to maintain the law and order. The law and order means whatever order he got from his officers, he got from government side, that policeman should follow. We have seen that during Corona time, during lockdown time period, we have already seen that so many policemen are on the duties. So that time what they were doing? They were following the instructions of the government. They were follow the instructions of the government. So they are very strict with the pupil. That time they were very strict with the pupil. If you will step out from your home, then definitely they will make you understand, do not come outside of your home, get inside of your home. Some people are not listening to them, so they start beating that boys. Have you seen so many videos now? Policemen are beating some boys. They are giving the punishment. They are giving the hutak batak and different kinds of punishment. So that time they should follow the law and order which is given by the government. So that is the duty of a policeman, to maintain the law and order of the city, of your town. Right? Then we will talk about the farmer. Yes. What does farmer do? Farmer grows crop to us. Then we will get the food. Farmer grow the crops to us, for us. Then only we can get the food at our homes. Farmer grow crops, then crops are ready to cut, then they will harvest the crop, they will cut the crop, then they will sell into the market. And then from the shopkeeper, shopkeeper are selling to us. Shopkeepers are selling to us, and we go to the market and buy the things whatever we want in our day-to-day life, in our daily life. Understand? Yes, hope you understand. Now, carpenter. Yes, what is the work of a carpenter? What is the work of a carpenter? Carpenter makes furniture for us. Whatever furniture we require in our life, who made? Carpenter. Carpenter made all these furniture. Whatever furniture we are using furniture in a school, we are using the furniture in office, we are using the furniture at homes, everywhere. Hospital, post office, police station, fire station, schools, office, homes, everywhere we all are using the furniture. Chairs, tables, beds, sofas, dining tables, everything, everywhere we are using the furniture. So who are making the furniture? Carpenter. This is the job of a carpenter. We cannot make furniture by our own. That is the job of a carpenter. Right? Then tailor. What is the job of a tailor? Tailor stitches cloth to us. Tailor stitches cloth for us. Whatever clothes we all are wearing, who is stitching for us? A tailor. Tailor should be a man. It should be a woman. Tailor should be a man, or it can be a woman. Ladies tailor is a different. Gents tailor is a different. Lady tailor means a person who will stitch only ladies' clothes. Whatever clothes are wearing by the women, that tailor will stitch that cloth only. And the tailor belongs to a man. Then whatever clothes are wearing by the men, they will stitch their clothes. So that is the job of a tailor, to stitch the clothes. Understand? Hope you understand. Now pilot. Pilot. What is the job of a pilot? Pilot flies aeroplane. Without pilot, can aeroplane will fly? No. So that is the job of a pilot. As like pilot, grocer. Grocer also. We can get the grocery. Grocery means kirana ka saman. We can get from grocery shop. So what is the job? What is the occupation of a grocer? To sell grocery. And grocery is very important to us. How we can eat without grocery? No, na? Greengrocer. Greengrocer means vegetable seller. Those who are selling vegetables. We are eating so many vegetables in our lunch, in our dinner, है ना? So who are the seller? Greengrocer. So here I told you that different people are doing different jobs. In that category, I made you learn about doctor, chemist, nurse, teacher, postman, policeman, farmer, carpenter, tailor, pilot, grocer, greengrocer, and so many things. So many people. Those who are those who are helping us in our day-to-day life. They are giving their best services to us, so we can run our life smoothly, so we can live our life so conveniently. So today I will make you learn the different people are doing the different jobs. Everybody is not doing the same jobs. We all have the society, we all have a community, and we need so many services in our daily life. So we should need all these persons. Without them, we cannot survive a good life. We cannot imagine our life without all these persons. Barber, sweeper, so many persons are there, they are helping us. Right? So, in this chapter, we learnt only this thing, that every person are doing the different job. Different people are doing the different jobs. Right? So, whatever I wrote on the blackboard, you no need to write in your notebook, in your copy. जो कुछ भी मैंने ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिखा है, आपको कॉपी में लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Whatever I wrote to explain you. जितना भी मैंने लिखा वो आपको समझाने के लिए लिखा. Right? So I am going to rub all these things, and I am hoping that you all are understanding nicely whatever I am going to explain you. You all can understand in a better way, because we already had 2 videos which is based on occupation only, है ना? I made you learn so very deeply what is an occupation, how it's converted into job, how we are getting money. Is everybody is doing same job? No, everybody is not doing the same job. Everybody is doing the different jobs. So only this much we will learn today. When we will meet in our next lecture, then we will learn about farming, because farming is the main occupation of India. Farming is the main occupation of India. Okay, so whatever we learn today, what those points are coming? Points to be remember. Points to be remember. Points to be remember means whatever things we learnt, we should remember over here. We should remember all these things in a point. जो कुछ भी हमने सीखा है वो हमें याद भी रखना है. ऐसा नहीं कि सुन लिया, देख लिया, finish. No, we should remember here. So what we learned today, everybody has work to earn money. Point number 1, everybody has to do work to earn money. This is point number 1. Everybody has to do work to earn money. हम सबको काम करना पड़ता है पैसा कमाने के लिए. Whether your parents or your मम्मी, पापा, दादी, दादू, नानी, चाचू, whoever they are, they should do any work to get earn money. and that work is called an occupation, and that work is called an occupation. Right? Right? Okay. And point number 3, different people are doing different jobs. Different people are doing different jobs. Right? And number 4, we must respect to all the occupation. We must respect to all the occupation. These all are the 4 points which we learnt, in these three videos, in these 3 lectures. First one is everybody has to do work to earn money. Yes, I already explained you that work is called an occupation. Yes, and different people are doing different jobs. Yes, and we must respect to all the occupation. So today I am giving you a little work. You have to write all these 4 points in your EVS notebook. So how you will write? First you will write your chapter number 5, then name of the chapter, our occupation, and this is your heading, point to be remember. Point to be remember मतलब याद रखने की बातें. So first point, everybody has to do work to earn money. Second, that work is called an occupation. Third, different people are doing different jobs. And 4, we must respect to all the occupation. And number 5 में you have to write the occupation of your parents. Number 5 में you should write the names of your parents' occupation. Okay, number 5 में you should write what your parents are doing. What is the job of your parents? You have to write. My parents is a doctor. My father is a doctor. My mother is a bank manager. My mama is a nurse. My father is a shopkeeper. My father is a farmer. Right? Whatever job your parents are doing, you should write over here. Right? Understand? Okay, hope you understand well. So here I am finishing my lecture. This is enough learning from today's. So hope you are enjoying the lectures. If you are enjoying the lectures, give me more likes. Click the button of like, right? So it is over from my side. Now it's your turn to do all these things. Right? So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Okay, before finishing, one more thing, you have to make a list. You have to make a list. Make a list of different You have to make a list, you have to prepare a list. Those who are doing the different jobs, I already made you learn about doctor, nurse, chemist, engineer, carpenter, pilot, teacher, farmer, barber, carpenter, all these things. You have to prepare a list, you have to make a list of all the occupations, right? So this little work is for today. You can take the screenshot or you can pause your screen. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, love you Bachcha Party, bye.